everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to force the AD replication for read-only domain controllers. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in PowerShell, best match, or go back to Windows PowerShell, go ahead and right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. I want you to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the PowerShell window, right click on it, select edit and paste that in, hit enter. And once you have a blinking cursor, that should be it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.